Hey, good afternoon, Robertson County. Today is Thursday, and the sun is shining. It's on, 80 degrees. Can you believe it? The mayor wished he could get out and walk a little while. I'd like to provide you some new information and clarify the proclamation that was signed yesterday. As of today at 2 o'clock, Robertson County has 20 positive COVID-19 patients. The state of Tennessee has a total of 957. We're pushing that 1,000. Please remember, some of this information will be repeated from my previous message. However, if there's any new developments, recommendations, or requirements, I will do my best to inform the public as soon as possible. We still expect to see an increase in the positive cases in Robertson County and Tennessee because of the number of tests that have not come back from the testing agencies. To ensure that we're preserving necessary resources, it's very important you follow CDC and Tennessee Department of Health guidelines. If you think you have been exposed to COVID-19 and develop a fever or symptoms, such as a cough or difficulty breathing, call your healthcare provider for medical advice. They will inform you if you need to be tested. Of course, with our testing down at the fairgrounds, you have to have symptoms, please. So go down there and if you got the symptoms, that's what they're there for. But if you don't have the symptoms and you're just scared, please don't go down there because you're not going to get tested. If you have commercial grade masks or gowns to donate to our medical facilities at the National Guard, we'll receive the donations at the Army in Springfield. Of course, no handmade ones. These items have to be commercial grade materials to be accepted. However, there's a need for handmade masks. A handmade mask will extend the life of the mask that our medical professionals are using. Okay, that's new. That's new information. Keep in mind, testing supplies are not abundant, and more importantly, the labs are backlogged. Overrunning these resources will delay necessary tests for high-risk patients to receive the best test immediately. I would also like to remind you that staying at home, isolating, and limiting your exposure to the public is the only way to flatten the curve. We do not want to overrun the medical resources in our community. And let me add to that our hospitals and those that are treating patients are right now busy working, getting ready for more patients if it needs to be. They're thinking outside the box, gang. In case this thing was to go real south, they're planning for the future, whether we get to that stage or not. Boxes have been placed in front of the courthouses, and the courthouses are closed to the public as well, the county courthouse. I found out yesterday the state Supreme Court ruled that no walk-in trials until April the 24th. They're still going to do some through television, electronic, and of course there's an emergency situation that deals with children and such. Those will be happening. The Robertson County Health Department has a drive-through testing site at Robertson County grounds from 9 to 3, Monday through Friday, and you will see the National Guard with them tomorrow, and they're simply there to help control traffic and allow the local law enforcement to get out on our county roads and serve our county. Please wash your hands, stay safe, and do all you can to help our community stay safe by staying at home if possible. Now, citizens of Robertson County, there's something I want to address. I signed a proclamation yesterday, and I think I don't know whether it's probably lack of knowledge or what, but a lot of people got kind of in a panic mode. On March 12th, 2020, Governor Bill Lee of the state of Tennessee signed an executive order concerning this virus. When he signed that executive order, it automatically put in action that the citizens would have to be charged SC misdemeanor. That all the mayors in the county and your city mayors did not sign something that they was inducing a Class C misdemeanor putting on the citizens of the state of Tennessee. Governor Lee did that March the 12th. All he did, I'm going to read over them again because I think it's very important. These provisions that he signed off on is about the parks and recreations, activities that are canceled during this time, libraries, museums. He urges everyone to stay at home as much as possible. When individuals are sheltered in homes or places or residences, they should practice social distancing. He's very big on his recommendations of 6 feet apart, and you should keep away from others if you are feeling the effects of this virus. All gatherings strongly discouraged with those of more than 10 people are prohibited. This is what the mayor signed March the 12th, and that's what the misdemeanor is about. All of us mayors are only acting by signing our declaration of state of emergencies too, but we're only acting on what comes off his desk. As mayors, I've talked to several today. We're waiting for the governor to come forward. If he wants to push this to start using law enforcement, he has not said that yet. But by his declaration, it says we could. But I think we're going to keep our businesses open. I didn't get elected to shut down businesses. You don't see anywhere where it says factories or anything on the industrial side. It's just mainly restaurants where you sit down, and bars and places you exercise. That's what he has signed in his state of emergency. So everybody just quit panicking and be calm, and we're gonna work our way through this. I firmly believe that we're having a little more cases, but with the sun shining and more people getting tested, that's the reason we're having more cases. It don't necessarily mean that this thing is running rapid. It's just that we're getting more tests done and getting them back tested quicker too. So I encourage you to enjoy the weather and enjoy Robertson County. Let me tell you, we're blessed to live in Robertson County. We're very blessed. And I hate to see that this is going on, but right now we're going through a part of life that we didn't see coming. But sometimes life throws you some limits. I want to say one more thing. Eleanor Roosevelt made a quote that stuck with me. You must do the thing that you think you can't do. And that's what we're doing. We're doing what we got to do to get through this. We think we can't, we can do it. And that's what makes us do it. I hope everybody in Robertson County has a great day, and I'll be getting back talking to you tomorrow. Oh yeah, I will have a statement through my county attorney, Clyde Richard. I appreciate him so much that I will be giving out tomorrow with this broadcast. Thank you.